let's visit restaurant settings. This is the administrative heart of your system, where you define how your restaurant appears to customers and how the system manages your availability. Start by ensuring your restaurant name, phone number, and address are accurate, as these details appear on your booking confirmations. Next, configure your daily operations. Set your opening and closing times to define when reservations are accepted. Crucially, you must set your seating capacity and time slot duration. The system uses these numbers to automatically prevent overbooking, ensuring you never have more guests than seats. Remember to click Save Changes whenever you update these figures. To take reservations directly from your own website, look for the Embed Booking Form card on the right. Clicking View Embed Code provides a snippet of HTML that you can copy and paste into your site, creating a seamless booking experience for your visitors. Finally, the Subscription Status panel keeps you informed about your current plan and next billing date. If you need to change your tier or update payment methods, simply use the Upgrade Plan or Account and Billing buttons located right here.